All right, if you are a project management aspirant or you already are working as a project manager, then you might be wondering which is the best certification for me. Is it PMP or is it the Scrum Master or is it the Prince2? So today we'll talk about these three certification which is the best for you and which one you should pursue in your career to make sure that you are a successful project manager. Now when we talk about PMP, which is an accreditation from PMI Institute. So PMP is a generic certification for project management. I mean, it doesn't only apply to IT. If you are in construction industry or pharmaceutical or maybe any other industry for that discussion, PMP applies for you. Whereas if you talk about Scrum Master, it's more on Agile as we understand, and if your role as a project manager is more towards the software development, projects or a project where you are dealing with software, that's where Scrum would be really useful for you. And to be honest, it has to be Agile based development. It's not the generic project for IT. I mean, it has to be the Agile development. Whereas when you talk about Prince2, it's not about Prince2 being very specific to industries, but we need to understand that Prince2 is more directed towards certain demography. So if you're working in Europe, let's say, so there you will find that Prince2 is more accepted. So UK, Netherlands, Germany, Spain, Italy, these are some of the I would say demographies where you'll find Prince2 will be more used as well as more accepted, widely accepted. So Prince2 again goes well with IT if you're an IT project manager. But again, coming back to PMP, if you are a generic project manager and if you are looking to validate your skills for for a project manager in any of the field, then PMP is the best for you. In terms of difficulties and in terms of requirement, PMP is the one where you need the maximum experience as well as some of the credits to be proved, as compared to Scrum Master and Prince2 where you can go with some minimal amount of experience. As same lies with the difficulty level of the exam. PMP on the rank from 1 to 3, 1 being the toughest, PMP stands at 1. Prince2 stands at 2 and Scrum Master stands at 3. And also similarly, if you will see the overall duration of these exam, PMP of course is the longest exam in duration compared to PMP and Prince2. So that's my take on the certification. The decision lies on you whether you are, so there are only few things that you have to decide on: the location that you're working in, the target market, and if you are working in IT domain versus non-IT domain. So these are few of the factors which will actually help you decide which is the best certification for you, right? I'll see you next time. Thank you.